house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
How do you feel about fabric softeners
Fabric softener.
in my clothes washing machine?
It's okay as long as you run a cleaner in your washing machine about every 6 months. Like a Fresh, something along those lines. Fabric softener tends to cling to things, and when
It's gooey.
It's really gooey, and when we know when someone's been using fabric softener, when we take apart the machine and rebuild it, there's just a lot of it in there that doesn't just go down the drain.
So there's a cleaning agent that you run an empty dishwasher, and it's
Yes.
a cleaning mechanism of detergent fluid.
Yes, dishwashers and washers need to be cleaned, believe it or not.
And with a dishwasher, it's just like a vinegar combination, isn't it?
You can use vinegar. Vinegar works good. They do make it's a citrus-based kind of thing that you put in there when the dishwasher's empty, and it dissolves solids and hard water deposits and stuff like that, and pushes them down the drain. Keeps your dishwasher clean. It works better that way.
Well, I will admit in public, I'm a sissy. I really like my bed linens washed in a lavender fabric softener. I really like hitting the pillow with that lavender, man.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.